Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. In today's video, we are starting with the topographical layered arts with this very simple layered plateau structure, and we will see how to proceed for these kind of arts. So let's get started. So for any topographical art, the first and most important thing is color selection, the papers and the different colors that you are selecting for that art. The color has to be in a certain gradient flow. It cannot be abrupt that like you have a green sheet of paper, then all of a sudden you have a yellow sheet of paper or a red sheet of paper. There has to be a slow gradient in which the colors are changing. Hence I have selected this selection of paper where I'm starting with the blue gradient and then I'm moving towards the pink and then transitioning into white and then transitioning into the orange. So that's how I have selected. For cutting, I am going to use the Olfa paper cutting knife because these are 220 GSM thick paper. I don't have any pre-design made. All I'm going to do is to cut wavy outlines on each layer, with each layer getting shorter and shorter, so that when we stack them on top of each other, it will form a shape of a pyramid or a mountain top or a plateau. Now there are two ways in which you can approach each layer. One is that you do it intuitively, that you understand what was the size of the previous layer and then you cut the next layer shorter on all sides. So basically you are making the layers smaller and smaller so that when you place them on top of each other, it will start forming the shape of a pyramid. That's one way to do it. Second way to do it is that you draw in advance and then you cut the layers. If you are new to layered arts, then I think that probably that would be the best way to do it. And the third is that you can take the left cutout or the borders which have been left after cutting out the layer, you can take them as a reference, put it on top of the next layer and then cut out the next layer. So these are the different methods in which you can do this cutting to get all the layers. So once you have all the layers ready, then we'll proceed to the next step to create that stack on top of each other. Now that the layers are ready, next step is to create gap between the layers, for which I am going to use these 3 mm thick sunboard sheet pieces. To stick between the layers, I have cut out these small pieces of sunboard sheets, and to stick these pieces to the sheets, I am going to use white PVA glue. So on each of the sheet, the side which is not going to be visible after the entire setup is ready, paste these sunboard pieces at least definitely on the 4 corners, and then if you want to provide more support, then you can put a couple of pieces in the center also, and you have to do this for all the sheets. So complete this step for all the sheets and then we can start putting glue on the other side of the sunboard pieces and start sticking the sheets together. Once you have done the previous step on all the sheets, now apply the glue on those sunboard pieces that you have already put on the sheets. Apply glue on the other side and then start sticking the sheets or start stacking the sheets on top of each other. So guys, here we are with the final look of this simple topographical layered art. Even though there is not much complexity to the design of this art, just because the flow of colors is good, the flow of colors is right, this simple art is also looking good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this simple DIY tutorial on layered topographical art. If you guys liked the video, then please do not forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also to subscribe to my channel for regular videos on paper arts, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.